We have a big event coming up for Operation Enduring Gratitude, which is an organization where veterans help other veterans. Well, veterans and actually any volunteer wants to come out. It's headed up by a licensed general contractor who's a veteran, and the goal of this organization is to help retired elderly veterans and their surviving spouses with things around the house, like if they need a repair, if they were recently put in a wheelchair. We'll build wheelchair ramps for them to get up into their house. And so we do fundraising. It's a 501c3 with Operation Enduring Gratitude. One of the biggest fundraisers we have is our April golf tournament. I'm honored to be chosen as the chairman for this year's golf tournament, and I want to make it a great showing out there. So if you golf, or if you know other people that golf, and you want to help veterans and have a good time, sign up now. There'll be a link in the description of this video to help you get there, and some more information. Also, if you're part of a company who has a group of guys or ladies who like to golf together, bring a team out for your company. What we plan to do, we hope to do, is if we have enough teams from companies that sign up, we want to have a traveling corporate golf championship trophy that you can take to your workplace and keep for the year until next year's tournament. Also, first, second, and third place, of course, but everybody will also have a chance to bid on raffle items that have been donated to Operation Enduring Gratitude. You'll see those when you arrive and after you register, and we hope you're going to have a great time. So if you golf, or you know somebody who golfs, come on out. April 27th, mark the calendar. Help Operation Enduring Gratitude help other veterans.